Hi Chakits, I have been following you and watching your YouTube channel for years.
I have decided to finally relocate to Las Vegas and want to start a new chapter in my life. I know you're the perfect realtor to help guide me to find my next dream home. I am looking for a modern kitchen, large backyard with a pool and a golf course community.
My name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I help buyers like this all the time, so if you're looking for a licensed professional, give us a call at 702-319-1092 or visit lvhomeexperts.com. Buying a home starts here.
All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm out here in the northwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just right off of 215 in Cheyenne. We have tons of shopping nearby. Let me just kind of show you what's going on real quick with this lovely townhome. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 townhomes attached. These are modern style townhomes, and this is a gated community. Now what I like about this, you do have a backyard too as well, balcony, and some units hold a higher premium than others. I'm going to show you in just a second here. So here's the front gate here. Then our mailbox is right here. What's nice about this, you have a park right here as well. A couple of baseball fields. So I just kind of wanted to show you the entry and the lay of the land here. Also, you got some nice mountain views. Now Cheyenne is right up that way, probably about a quarter of a mile. You have all your shopping, freeway access. If you want to head down to Centennial, down this way for shopping as well, you're probably about 15 to 20 minutes to downtown Summerlin here to Harry Reid International with traffic. It took me about 40 minutes, so it's not bad. As you can see, we have a community pool, so we'll check this out in just a second. As you can see, the guys are cleaning up, the landscapers. I'm going to show you this unit, so just hang tight. What I like about this unit, and the unit's right over here, what I like about it is that you have all the parking here, and this is all guest parking, which is nice. Now, if you were down over there, your guests would have to park at a distance and also walk quite some distance, right? I know that blower is a little bit loud, so I do apologize about that. Let's go take a look at the pool real quick. Nice pool, you got the restrooms. Almost like a cabana style feel. You got the park. Now this community also has a park for the pets as well. So here's the unit right here in front of us, okay? Now this one is 1,847 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. It is a tri-level living. Here's the garage. Now this is a 2-car tandem garage. Your power box is here. As you can see, you got your keypad here, and you can actually rekey it with the ring. All that is included. So on the first floor, as we come in, let me shut that here. So here's kind of like your entryway. You can do something really nice here. Now I'm going to be a little bit biased on this one, just due to the fact that this is my listing. So I'm going to be straight up front with you. You got luxury laminate flooring. You got the knockdown texture. What I do like about this unit here is this. You actually have a backyard, which is nice. So you had this retaining wall here. Here's the entryway right here. Now what I like about this unit is that some of these units, right, you have this backyard, but you have nothing in the front. It's just all parking lot, which is not a nice view. Let's take a look at this air conditioning unit here. This is a Rheem air conditioning unit. You have some pavers. The sun is going to be setting on this side, so you're going to get some of your sun exposure. Right now it's about 2 o'clock. Here's the exterior. You got the Ring camera system here in the back. We're going to go inside. There's a minor touch-up paint that I'm going to say that needs to be done. Other than that, the good news is it doesn't really matter because you guys are going to be painting your house anyway. Let me lock this thing up. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at the garage. So the garage is a tandem garage here, as you can see, with the lift master. So the garage is not textured. However, you have that option to do that. You also have the tankless water heater. So you can't fit 2 cars in here, okay? You also have this soft water loop as well. All right, we're gonna head on inside. Now, I noticed the smoke detector is missing, but that's not a big deal. The owners will take care of that. All right, we're gonna make our way upstairs. Now, this is where your main living is going to be. So, as we come up, this is more like that loft style living, high-rise living, which is kind of cool. Now, a couple things that you're gonna see. You have the luxury laminate flooring. The owner had spent the money on the upgrades on this. Also with the countertops, you got the Petrofina 1-inch front face. Got the stainless steel sink. Now the appliances here, okay, the dishwasher, the stove, and the microwave are included, and these are actually Samsung, which is a great brand. The refrigerator is not included, but everything's always negotiable. Hand pulls. You got the brushed nickel modern style. Let's take a look at the cabinets. You have solid cabinets, and you have a metal glide. Okay. I believe we have a 1/4 horsepower here on the garbage disposal as well. And one thing you'll notice is that these are pretty much fingerprint free. Okay. Here, you're going to be putting your dining room table. But what I like about this is that a lot of these units that are facing the front, you're going to have a parking lot in front of you. Here, you can actually see the pool. What's nice about it, you can check out some chicks and some dudes too as well, right? During the summertime. The ceilings are 8 foot. You got traverse LED lights. And you have a nice 12-foot slide. So this is a pretty large room, believe it or not. And as you can see, how big this furniture is, right? Again, we're missing the smoke detector, but that will be installed. Not worried about that. We have our thermostat here, your doorbell. Let's go take a look at this 12-foot slide. These are vinyl slides. They open up in the center here. Panorama. Beautiful, gorgeous mountain views though, for sure. I would probably do a covered patio down there. You do have an outlet here as well. 2 traverse LED lights. You got the bull nose on the cornering. Right off to my left, we have a quarter bath. pedestal sink. They did do the upgrade on the light fixture there. You got blinds throughout. Now we're gonna make our way upstairs to the 3rd floor. As I come up to the 3rd floor, off to the left, we have a bedroom here, bathroom, and also the primary and the laundry room. Now at the laundry room, as you can see, we have the luxury laminate flooring, Samsung appliances again. Let's take a look at the primary. Primary is pretty long on the primary. We have a queen size bed here, kind of give you an idea. 8-foot ceilings. So this primary is probably 12 by 17 feet. So it's pretty large. So it looks like your bed would probably come down the center here. Let's see if we have, you have the Cat 6 and a coax cable, which is really nice. Thermostat right here, which is a dual zone, okay? It does tend to get a little bit hotter on the top, so that's why we have a dual zone. From the 3rd floor, bird's eye view again. Vanities, 36 inches on the vanity. Got the Petrofina, Moen fixtures, faucets. Now this is a product by Lennar here. So I mean, there's a couple things that you could upgrade, and it just comes with standard. So one of the big upgrades was the flooring. You got your closet, attic access. Now there's one thing about townhomes that people think about is the noise. I love the barn door here with the mirror. So what Lennar does is they actually have framed in one side of the wall and another side, and they should have a sound barrier, and it's also insulated too as well, which is really nice. Again, smoke detector. Coming into the bathroom. Tub shower combo, fiberglass, all one piece. As you can see, this is like never been used. Oh, matter of fact, just want to let you know that this thing was actually built in 2020, so it's like less than, it's about 2 years, well, I guess 3 years old now, going on 3. And right now, this is actually the lowest price in this community. So we just put the property on the market. We already had tons of showings on the property. The asking price on here is $375,000. Look at that view. It's gorgeous, right? Right above us, we do have our return. Then every room will have a transfer grill. These rooms are 11 by 12, so this one's a pretty decent sized room here. Now the HOAs, you're not going to believe this. With the HOAs are $238 a month. Seems high. Yes, it is high. However, what's actually included, you're not going to believe this, with the HOA. HOA obviously comes with the CC&Rs, right? Not only the CC&Rs that you're paying for, you get trash, right? Sewage, And also you get cable on this one. That's right. So what you get with the HOAs, it's a pretty good deal. What do you guys think about this unit? I definitely like the main living on the second floor. It's just different style of living. It's not for everybody, and I understand. Somebody that's just starting a family that's hip, young, fun, you know what I mean? This is it right here. Oh, I forgot to mention that we have a pre-wire for a ceiling fan right there. So you got that J box right there. Also, we have all the warranty paperwork and all that stuff for this unit as well. All right, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys are interested, I will have a link in the description below. Everything that you need to know about this property, okay? If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.